Have I told you, Lord, how much I love you? Have I told you there's no one else above you? Fill my heart with gladness, take away all my sadness, ease my troubles, that's what you do.
Welcome to Just Being Ifoma. Just Being Ifoma will explore life and living in different contexts, as expressed in the writings from a book, Sounds from Silence, Musings, written by Ifoma Ifeanyiwa Idigbe. We never expect our loved ones to die. Yesterday, a woman died. No, death is not unusual. It may take us by surprise, but it happens. What was heartbreakingly sad was that she and her sister were not on speaking terms when she died. We never expect our loved ones to die, and certainly not without giving notice. What was the quarrel about? Who knows? It doesn't matter. What matters is that the opportunity no longer exists in this realm to make peace. But there is loads of time for regrets. If I had known. All of a sudden, one forgets what the disagreement was about. Do not let the sun go down on your anger, was Jesus' admonition. Going to bed at night when the sun has gone down is not a guarantee of waking up. Life is God's gift, and He can take it when He chooses. One can go to bed and not wake up, so what happens to the anger we take to bed? We carry it with us to judgment. The time of natural birth and death are two things nobody is privy to. They are the secret things of God. What we can do is make the most of the time in between, the time we have here on earth. We have been given a license to fill our lives as we please. Seeking God's inspiration and guidance for the best way to live our lives is the best way to live. Be at peace with all men. Life is too short for regrets.
And it's yours and it's mine, like the sun. And at the end of the day, we should give thanks and praise to the one. Have I told you, Lord, how much I love you? Have I told you there's no one else above you? Fill my heart with gladness, take away all my sadness, ease my troubles, that's what you do. You fill my heart with gladness, take away all my sadness, ease my troubles, that's what you do.